Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I will just quickly share with you guys the setup. Then I will explain how the strategy works. Alright, so you can click the first thing you have to do here is to click on this icon. So after clicking on the icon, the first indicator here is the moving average, which is this one. So you search for the moving average. Now, after searching for the moving average, you click on it. You can see the parameters. Maybe the parameters are going to be different from this one. So what I want you to do is to change everything to be the same as this one. Alright, the period is 10, the shift is 0, the method linear width, the apply to weighted close. Under the style we have 3 pixels, the color is red. Alright, so these are the things you need. After that, you click on save. Now the next indicator again is the moving average. Alright, this one. So this one, the period is 50, the apply to close, the method linear weight, the apply to previous indicators data. Under the style we have 4 pixels and the color of this one is black. Right, so make it different from the first one. So after that, you click on save. So we are done with the main chart, and the next indicator here is the stochastic oscillator. You have to click on this one. You search for stochastic oscillator, which is this one right here. So after searching for it, you make everything 1 here. Alright, the price yield low high, method is simple. Right, under the style you can see the main is 1 pixel, the color is white, the signal is 1 pixel, the color is white, the color of your background. Right, now the levels, which is very important, you click on this area here. You are to set it to 15, 85, 20 and 80. Right, the pixel is 2, the black and the color is black. You go back and then you click on save. The stochastic oscillator will be added. Now after the stochastic oscillator is added, you are going to see indicator window 1. So you have to click on this icon in order to add the remaining indicators under it. Alright, so the first indicator here is going to be the moving average, this one. You click on it, you search and click on the moving average. Now you can see the parameters here. The period is 20, the shift is 0, the method is linear weight, apply to weighted close. Right, then the style 3 pixel, the color is red. Right, that is all you need. You click on save. Now the last indicator, moving average, you search for it. Right, the parameters, you can see the period here is 50, the shift is 0, method linear width, apply to weighted close, 4 pixel. Under the style, then the color is black. Then you click on save. You go back, you are going to have a screen like this one. Right, now this is how the strategy works. Alright, this is how you are going to be doing this. Okay, before I share the way the strategy work, if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this one, you are going to be notified immediately. Alright, and don't forget to give this video a like. Alright, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to others and they can also get this wonderful strategy. Alright, so with that out of the way now, let me share with you guys how the strategy works. Now it's as simple as ABCD. Right, the first thing you have to do here is to wait for spike. Right, this is a scalping strategy. We are not catching spike with this one. Alright, So if you are looking for a spike catching strategy, there are a lot of them on my channel. So you just go search and then you look for the one that is good for you. So for this one, we are going to be using it to scalp the market and take the little ticks here, the candlesticks, the small one. Alright, so that is the one we are going to be trading right now with this strategy. So what I want you to do first is to wait for spike. So whenever there is a spike, you look at the indicator window and you saw that and you see that price has gotten to the 80 and 85 zone, right? This area here, price is above it or touching any of those lines, right? The next thing now is to wait for on the main chart, you wait for the crossing here, right? You wait for the crossing. Now, sorry, let me go again. First of all, you are going to see that this red line here as touching the 85 and the 80 level, right? Before this black one will go and touch, all right? It's the red one that will first touch, okay? Then you wait for the crossing. So whenever you see that it has crossed below the black line, right, that is your confirmation number one. All right, so this is how it happened. Like most of the time, whenever it cross, you check on the main chart, it will not yet cross, right? The indicator window is going to first of all give you the first signal, right? It's going to like create awareness, like it will be telling you that it's about to, like, price is about to change, the trend is about to change from an uptrend to a downtrend. All right, so whenever you see that crossing, the next thing you should be waiting for now is to be like looking at the main chart till whenever the price cross below the black moving average there. All right, so whenever the candlestick close below it, you are not to take any entry yet. You are going to wait for the moving average, the red moving average, to also cross below it, right? So whenever the red moving average cross below it, that is where you will be taking your entries. All right, that's where you'll be taking your entry, and you are to take only 5 to 6 candle with this one, right? You are not to take more than that. 5 or 6 candles, you are out. Okay, that is how simple the strategy is. So like I said, you are going to watch out for the red first to touch the 80 and the 85 level. So once that touching happen, you wait on the main chart to cross also before you take any entry. All right, so you can see I'm using my crochet now. You can see that the indicator is going to be the one to cross first before the main chart will cross. All right, so always make sure you take note of that. All right, and one other thing again is to use this strategy whenever there is whenever price is on a downtrend on boom. All right, and on crash, you are going to be using it whenever the trend is an uptrend. All right, so on boom, you are going to be using the strategy on a downtrend, and then on crash, you are going to be using the strategy on an uptrend. All right, so take note of that. So now let me go to the 15-minute time frame again. Now you can see the way you should be analyzing it is that whenever you see that this indicator has crossed below the black moving average on the 15-minute time frame, all right, what you do now is to go to the 1-minute time frame, and then you start looking out for these conditions I've just explained earlier. So you can see here the indicator cross, and then the on the main chart, the moving average also crossed the black one, and you can see how price is going down now. All right, so make sure you take note of this, and you can see this is why I say you should take like 5 candles and 6 candles, and then you are out. All right, you are going to be safer with those. All right, so even if there is a spike here, it will still go down because we have already confirmed it from the 15-minute time frame that now going down. You can see price broke through retest, and you can see it's now going down. All right, it's now going down. So whenever you are using it on the 1 minute time frame, you are going to be safe, right? Compared to when you are using it on on an uptrend on the 15-minute time. If you check the 15-minute time frame and price is in an uptrend, you don't need to trade the strategy with it. All right, you just wait for price to start going down, then you can apply the strategy. All right, so that is pretty much everything I have for you guys today. All right, I don't want to make this video very long, so I just want to make it simple and short for you guys to understand. So I think that's going to be it for today. All right, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.